Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a chocolate chip cookie in 1 minute in the microwave. The ingredients that we're going to need are 1½ tablespoons of butter, 1 3/4 tablespoons of brown sugar, 3/4 tablespoons of milk, 1/3 cup plus 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and of course chocolate chips. Okay guys, the first thing you want to do is melt your butter. Then we're going to add in our brown sugar and our dash of milk. And we're going to combine that. Next guys, combine your flour, your baking soda, and your pinch of salt together. And we're going to add that in. Go ahead and mix that up. Once you've combined that, go ahead and put your chocolate chips in. Use as many as you would like. And then we're going to combine that together. And then all you're going to do is form your cookie dough into a ball with your hands. Then all you do guys next is grab a piece of parchment paper and flatten your cookie out with the palm of your hand. Now we're going to go over to the microwave. Okay guys, I have my cookie in my microwave. And all I'm going to do is set the microwave for 1 minute. Okay guys, it's been a minute. Now I'm going to take my cookie out. Be very careful because it's hot. And you want to let it cool for 5 minutes. Okay guys, here you have it. These are meant to be eaten warm. So as you can see, this is your 1 minute microwave chocolate chip cookie. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. And please come back. Until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.